name is Matthew Pham.
My name is Chris.
My name is Dinesh.
My name's Jackson Wayne, and while I'm here in Seattle working with Amazon Prime Air, my project has been working on a tool to run simulations in the cloud to speed up their processing time and enable developers to run many simulations all at the same time.
Jackson's project in particular is something that's going to be used by every software developer moving forward. So whatever new innovations that we produce are in part going to be enabled by the work that he did during this internship.
It's been an excellent experience working with the engineering students from Monash. I've been pleased with how prepared technically they are and how well they fit into the professional environment here at Amazon. One of the intern projects was a software data compression solution for reproducibility of off-nominal event video feeds. And we ultimately arrived at a proposal that will be used in our next major release. My most standout moments during this internship was actually when I managed to produce my first demo. And this was actually something that was very vital to a lot of other people, and it contributes a lot to the final product that we need.
Our experience is enriched, our product is enriched by bringing early career folks in that are learning contemporary things. And Monash is in the top 50 schools in the world for engineering, and I wanted to bring that skill set and that knowledge base and leverage it for us, but also give back.
Working with the mentors and supervisors has been a great experience. They've been very welcoming and supportive, and they promote learning as the #1 goal. After coming here, I've realized all of the skills that I've learned throughout Monash are applicable in the industry. Some of the things would be how to break down a task and manage it, how to work effectively in a team and communicate with them, and how to do a lot of agile development in the software industry.
I think a lot of the fundamental coding knowledge I've gained through Monash, I've been able to apply here. A lot of the design patterns I learned, I've been able to actually put it into practice, and also I've gained more knowledge about how to produce cleaner and more reusable and maintainable code.
They all played pretty critical roles, all in support of the Mark 30. And so, in the next few years, all of these pieces of infrastructure that they've kind of laid the groundwork for are going to become major staples.
Everyone that I've met here has felt to me like they're at the head of their field, and honestly, I've never met a group of people I'd be prouder to work with.
I loved having them here. They're contributing immensely to our experience, and they're helping us be better leaders. They were able to bolt in and very quickly add value.
We'd absolutely love to have them back.
I would love to have them back.
We'd love to have these interns back after they graduate.